as we have described earlier, codes are shorthand, interpretative, or descriptive label. You can see, for example, for this section, I coded that as utilizes alternative medicine. So this is an interpretative label of these statements provided by the interviewee. Now let's look at the second statement here. And because of that, these doctors are hesitant to specifically name anything, because once you put a label on it, you give it power. You give it a consciousness, and the more that consciousness is spread around like ADHD and all of that first came out, it gives a negative connotation. So I was never told celiac. I was never told. The only thing I was ever told was in early stages was candida and parasites. And candida is a form of a parasite. And other than that, they don't address it to me, and I don't really ask. I've asked, slipped up and asked in the past, but the doctors don't worry about it, because then I'll start to research it and buy into the symptoms. Like in this whole section, we can see avoidance of labeling. Both the doctors and also the patient do not like giving a label to their condition. So we can call this, or we can code this as avoiding labeling condition. So that's the next code that we have developed. And then let's move on. The interviewee, why do you think that is? Aside from not wanting to promote, for lack of a better term, hysteria, why do you think doctors are so reluctant to label? I think medical doctors is because of the lawsuits, perhaps in the liability they don't want to but the alternative doctors I got, which are, they are also chiropractors, so they are doctors. For one reason I just mentioned, so my consciousness doesn't buy into it and create more of the disease within the body, which we all kind of tend to do anyway. So we can see like this statement emphasizes the reason why the patient or the interviewee doesn't like to label their condition. We can drag and drop that as a code, more information under the code avoiding labeling. If we double click here under the code, we will find two excerpts now that corroborate or that provide more strength to that code. And you can see the references now are two here, but it's the same participant. So when you're coding, it's not like all the times that you'll develop new code. No, sometimes you find more information to support an already established code. So let's continue coding. Then Sam, who is the interviewer, says, if you went through my symptoms, you would say celiac, you would say there's a lot of stuff. I just saw something on Facebook. I'm a medical doctor. I don't know. I was trying to find it for you. I don't know whose page it was, because I have so many fan pages. It was a medical doctor that said, what I used to when I was practicing medicine, my patients would come to me and they had all these symptoms, which is fatigue, chronic failure, like diarrhea, chronic diarrhea, and chronic stomach pains, intestinal